All right, guys. I'm heading to India Mutad right now. After a lot of irritation that I faced in the morning while riding, I'm off to the garage to kind of get it checked, then maybe get the injectors cleaned again and see if that solves the problem this time as well. There were a couple of pending tasks from yesterday. कुछ रह गया था काम कराना, जैसे कि हैंडल बार का ग्रिप, फ्यूल इंजेक्टर्स का क्लीनिंग कर नहीं हो पाया था, तो आज जा कर के ये काम करवाते हैं. देन लेट्स सी. ऑल्सो प्लानिंग टू गो फॉर अ ब्रेकफास्ट राइड टुमारो अगेन. अगर ये फिक्स हो जाता है तो. In the morning when I was riding, that time I had not put the kind of the, what do you call it, the muffs or the noise cancellation, that furry thing over the mic. It was just the default piece. So I don't know how the audio would be, but right now I've somehow managed to add it over the mic. So let's see, I'm gonna figure out if it's gonna make any difference. It should be. I'm like, whatever research I've done based on that, it should reduce a lot of wind noise, like significantly. That's what people said, so I'm hoping that it'll be good. Let's see. Thank God for the weather. Even in the afternoon, what time is it right now? Like 1 p.m. and breeze. The breeze helps a lot. ऐसा लग रहा है आज भी ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ. गराज है अभी ऑफिस के पास में ही, so can't help. Look at the color of the tree and the flower bougainvillea over there. Looks amazing. I was actually planning to come here one day just to feed the pigeons. देख के बड़ा मस्त लग रहा है यार. Like probably could take good shots there. Maybe the mind is working all about the shooting and vlogging and videos anywhere and everywhere. I'm drawing references, picking up ideas, trying to see what can be done, what's new. But it's fun. It's fun. I'm loving every bit of it. Plus, every now and then, whenever a feedback drops from one of the viewers, that kind of feels very important, feels very crucial. तो उस पे फिर काम करते हैं, सीख रहे हैं, मज़ा आ रहा है. To be honest, I'm enjoying doing this. I hope कि उतना ही अच्छा कंटेंट आप लोग को भी हम दे पा रहे हैं. So more traffic. Yeah. Wow. Okay, not so bad. Not so bad. Doesn't look that bad. Usually weekdays, if you've seen my ride to office, you should check out the video on YouTube on my channel. This entire road is usually packed. Forget about putting your bike to third gear. That ain't happening for sure. But आज ठीक है, आज खाली है. Just zooming past. Looks like it can rain any moment. I'd like to drop the bike and head home as soon as possible, and hopefully शाम में भी बारिश ना हो जब बाइक लेने आना हो. Usually I stay back whenever there's work going on my bike, always. But I'm gonna make an exception today, as I have some work at home. Some work मतलब सुबह को जो footages है, I have to just sort that through, check them out, how it has come. उसका planning करना है थोड़ा, so I'll go home and do that. Meanwhile, the bike gets ready for the next ride. This Fuel Explore really makes a lot of difference. I mean, right now I'm running on map 5 and I'm like just a little twist of throttle and the bike just takes off so smoothly, effortlessly. I'm sure the BMC air filter would also help and add to it. I think I should get that filter covers. You see that open bracket ones, the stage 2 or whatever they call it, just to allow more air intake. I so want to change the exhaust. From the day I got the bike, I think I've been planning, but the only thing that's stopping me from doing it is cops. I really don't wanna kind of have that axe hanging over my neck all the time, that they might just stop the bike and just kind of maybe challan or fine or whatever. Just don't want that hassle. If only there was a legal aftermarket exhaust that sounds a little more bassier. That's all I ask for. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Or any workaround to deal with this. Okay, I'm almost there. So this is where I am giving the bike for service, where I usually am giving the bike for service, Indy Motard. Andar Ralu? Okay, I've told him also that the main thing is about the injectors cleaning and and the front brake. That's the two main things, okay? Let's book a cab back home. He asked me where the drop was. I told him honestly, but let's see. Hope he does not cancel the ride. Xpulse. Both the two generations of the bike, huh? Okay, I can feel some difference. So what we have done today is change the spark plugs from NGK and put back the OEM ones. This was advised by two mechanics, two different garages. Also from the Royal Enfield Service Center. So I'm just gonna try this and see how it runs, if I'm having the power drop around 4k RPM or not. So let's see. I'm planning to go for a ride in the morning tomorrow. I've not slept actually. I've slept last night around 3 and got up at 5:30ish. So yeah, just a couple of hours in the morning, and the entire day I've not been able to sleep, so I'll probably get some rest, but then I have to go in the morning tomorrow to kind of try and see how it works out to be. We also did the complete front calipers overhaul after changing the brake pads. We have to switch the O-rings. So that's done, and the braking is pretty good now. I was actually planning to put something, I was actually confused between which one to go for this time. After I've used the OEM ones, I've used the Vestra. This time I was kind of inclined towards the EBC, but then both EBC and OEM are sintered. I thought, okay, might as well just go with the OEM. They themselves are pretty good. Nothing, no shortcomings with that. So I've just stuck to the Orium ones. It rained for a while some time back. I'm just hoping I reach home before it starts to rain again. It is slightly cold now, but it's fun. So far I'm not experiencing any power drops whatsoever. I think, but anyways, I would have to go to the highway, kind of make sure. Usually highway में जाकर के ही ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था. Above 4000, around 4000 RPM. सुबह सिर्फ इस रीज़न के चलते लॉन्ग राइड अपना जो प्लान था वो ऐसा नहीं किए. So little disappointed by that. I'm sure Krish also would be disappointed, but then there was no point heading ahead with this. It would have been just more irritating to ride like this. Oh, I forgot I've put a filter, ND filter on the camera. I'm not sure if it is required. It's dark already. I think I should have taken it off. I think I'll quickly stop in front of the Royal Enfield showroom over there and then take it off. Alright. I think we are back on the road. I'm not sure how the video would be now. So we'll see. If needed, we'll process a bit in the post-production. Okay. I think I've done a lot of shooting today and talking. I usually have done narration so far in my videos, whatever few of them, and then now today for the first time I've used the mic. So yeah, the idea was to kind of have a more casual talk rather than a scripted conversation. So I had a lot of fun kind of just going on yapping about things, and I'm home. So do give your honest feedback about what did you feel about the whole conversation? What would you like me to talk more about, if there's anything in particular? I've just started off, so any feedback would help me to kind of get it right. I'd say it's a call for community. I'll learn. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? All right, we are home.